Title: Grope. Understanding, consent, and boundaries. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word grope. To grope is a verb that means to touch someone inappropriately or without their consent, often with a sexual connotation. It signifies actions that violate personal boundaries and consent. Pronunciation. Pronouncing grope is simple, grope, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, it is important to understand that groping is unacceptable and illegal, as it disregards the fundamental principles of consent and respect. Importance. Addressing and preventing groping is crucial for promoting healthy and respectful relationships, emphasizing the importance of consent and personal boundaries. Conclusion. In summary, grope is a word that represents actions that breach personal boundaries and consent, highlighting the need for respectful and consensual interactions. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, respect the significance of consent and boundaries in all relationships.